Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is Excel basics, the sum function. So, what is a sum function? Add values. You can add individual values, cell reference, or ranges, or a mix of all three. How does it work? And this is a copy and paste of the support from Microsoft Excel. You can check it there. So let's go to our Excel file. And remember, all our Excel files, they are free. And the link to download it is in our video description. So what do we have here? I grabbed some numbers from the 15 or top 15 public companies in the world, non-financial companies or non-banks. So Apple is the largest one, Saudi Arabian oil company the second one, and so on. So what do we have here? So the largest one by market cap. And I grab the total assets in the last 5 fiscal years. Fiscal year 0, -1, -2. So if we consider here 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, and so on. So okay, how do we sum the total of market cap? There are three ways to do it. The first one, select the numbers you want to sum. Go here, quick analysis, total, sum. And we got the sum here. A lot of numbers. I have no idea how to say this so large number. There is a second way to do it. Select again, auto sum, and we have the sum. A third way, and never do that. That is, equal the first number plus the second number plus the third plus the fourth. Man, that is not smart because one, you can miss one number. Here, 15, quite boring. Imagine if our list was the top 1,000 companies. That is not smart. So, equal, sum, parentheses, beginning and end. Here we go. What if we want to sum more than one column? And here, for instance, total fiscal year 0 and fiscal year -1. And I don't want to sum these two totals. Consider that we don't have it. We can select this one, auto sum. It doesn't work. It provides us the sum of each column. So what works? Only the last way. That is why I always use the last way, because it works for everything. So equal, sum, and then D and E together. 8 million. That if we combine both here, sum 8 million and so on. And you can also see it. I want the fiscal year -2. I only want to see it. I don't want any number. So average, count 15 companies and the sum, for instance. And let's move myself here. So let's sum the other years as well. And if we copy and paste, we have, and then we have our numbers. However, what if they are not in the same sequence? I want a sum, for instance, total fiscal year 0 and fiscal year -2. Now there is no more. So if I do the sum, fiscal year 1 and fiscal year -2, There is the fiscal year -1 here. So how I can select them? There are two ways to do that. The first one, equal sum, first column, comma, the second column. And we will have it. So 7, that is, let's double check here, this one plus this one, and here we can do that. We are good. And here, the sum. Here, then that makes sense, work with plus. Only two numbers, so okay. Another way to do that sum, and then it must match the numbers, is equal sum. Select the first column, control the second column, and then here we are. We have our sum. So a lot of different ways to do the sum. Remember, never do the equal 1 plus 1 plus other plus 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 plus. Or what is worse, I always tell my students, if you do that, I will consider it wrong in exams. Grab your cell phone calculator, sum, and then type the total. That is bad, pretty bad. And my students know that if they do that, I will grade them 0. And even if they equal sum, equal one number plus another number plus another number, I don't like it. And I tell my students, I will not be happy about that. So use the sum formula. If you have only one column, a lot of ways to do that, more than one, then go to equal sum formula. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you have any questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.